If you've ever wondered, can we disable plugins in Google Chrome? The short answer is yes. But in modern Chrome, what most people call a plugin is usually actually an extension. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable Chrome extensions the right way, and I'll also explain the difference so you know what you're changing. This is a quick and useful fix if you want to turn off something like Grammarly, Adblock, a VPN, or any other browser add-on without uninstalling it completely. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This method works on desktop, and it's one of the easiest ways to manage the extra tools installed in your browser. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This is the main Chrome menu where you can find settings, history, downloads, and extension options. From the menu, hover over or click Extensions. In newer versions of Chrome, you may see an option called Manage Extensions. Click that, and Chrome will open a page showing all of the extensions currently installed in your browser. This page is important because it gives you full control over what is running in Chrome and what is not. Now take a moment to find the extension you want to disable. If you use tools like Grammarly, Adblock, a shopping assistant, a password tool, or a VPN extension, you'll usually see them listed here. Each extension will have its own card with details, a toggle switch, and sometimes additional options. If you're not sure which one to turn off, read the name carefully and check the description before making changes. To disable the extension, simply click the toggle switch. When it is turned on, it will usually be blue or marked as active. When you switch it off, it changes to the disabled state. That means the extension is no longer running in Chrome, but it is still installed on your browser. This is helpful if you want to temporarily pause an extension without removing it forever. And that's really all there is to it. Once the toggle is off, the extension is disabled immediately. You can test your browser right away and see whether the extension is affecting pages, blocking content, changing website layouts, or adding extra features you no longer need. If you want it back later, just return to the same extensions page and turn the toggle on again. A quick note here, in modern Google Chrome, traditional plugins like Adobe Flash are no longer supported in the same way they used to be. So when people ask about disabling plugins in Chrome, they are usually talking about disabling extensions, site permissions, or other built-in browser components. In most cases, the answer is really about managing extensions, not old-style plugins. If you want even more control, you can also review the permissions and settings for each extension from the same page. That way, you can decide whether to keep it disabled, remove it completely, or adjust how it works in your browser. But if your goal is just to stop it from running, the toggle switch is the fastest method. So, to recap, open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, choose Extensions, open Manage Extensions, find the extension you want, and turn it off. That's how you disable a Chrome plugin, or more accurately, a Chrome extension, in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Chrome tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.